What would the world look like if every young person dared to dream big and even bigger? This question, bold and full of possibilities, invite us to reimagine the future. Eleanor Roosevelt once said, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." These words encapsulate the power of dreaming and acting beyond the limits. Considering the story of Malala Yousafzai, who at just 15 turned her dream of education for all into a global movement despite adversity. Today, as the world faces unprecedented challenges, the potential of young people lead us toward transformative change has never been more significant. Dreaming big is not just envisioning a better world. Dreaming big is about taking a bold action to create it. To all dreamers listening today, your ideas, your courage, and your action have the power to shape a history. Dreams are the seeds of innovation and progress. They provide the vision and purpose that drive individuals to achieve greatness. Greta Thunberg began with a single dream to combat climate change. Sitting outside the Swedish parliament with a handwritten sign, her solitary action blossomed into a worldwide movement, uniting millions to fight for our planet. And similarly, Boyens led dreams to cleaning the ocean, and at just 18 years old, she created the Ocean Cleanup System, revolutionizing environmental preservation. Studies reveal that 70% of future jobs will demand creative problem solving, a skill rooted in dreaming big. This example proves that ambitious dreams is not only inspired, but also create a tangible solution to global challenges. To dream big is to acknowledge your limitless potential. While dreams ignite the spark, action is what keeps the fire burning. Acting bigger requires determination, strategic planning, and courage to overcome obstacles. Marie Carboni, known as Little Miss Flint, exemplifies this. At just 8 years old, she raised awareness and funding for distribution of clean water to thousands. The key to transforming ideas into reality lies in access to education, technology, and mentorship. When the young people are empowered with the right tools and support, they can turn aspirations into impactful initiatives. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to achieving your dreams. Youth are not just inheriting the future, they are actively shaping it. Social media has become a powerful platform for young leaders to amplify their voices and mobilize changes. The movement like hashtag Black Lives Matter and hashtag Friday for Future illustrate how youth activism transcends borders. In the entrepreneurial sphere, innovators like Melanie Parker, who founded Canva in her 20s, showcase the creative potential of young minds. Today, more than half of world population is under 30, making young people essential drivers to global trends and solutions. Their leadership is a testament to the transformative impact of dreaming big and acting decisively. Remember, the action of today's youth defines the legacy of tomorrow's world. Dreaming big and acting bigger is the essence of progress. From Greta Thunberg's fight against climate change to Mary Carboni's advocacy for clean water, young leaders demonstrate that age is not a barrier to making a difference. To all the young people listening today, your dreams are valid and your reactions are powerful. Don't let fear or doubt stop you from pursuing the extraordinary. Together, we can lead the way toward brighter, more inclusive world. Let us dare to dream big and act bigger. As Nelson Mandela said, it always seems impossible until it's done. So, ask yourself, what will you do today to make the impossible your reality? That's all my speech. Thank you.